For those who don't know who XTRAC are, now this is a Formula One gearbox. They also do transmissions. We're going to find out a little bit more about XTRAC, but also how they used the Mitutoyo products to help them measure complex components. Now I know XTRAC from my motorsport days, but could you tell our viewers who XTRAC are and what do you do?
XTRAC, we've been around for 33 years now. We build, design, manufacture gearboxes predominantly for motorsport applications, and also we use our expertise to help people in the defence, marine and automotive sectors as well.
So is that just like a gear which is on the bench here, or do you do sort of full programs for companies?
We'll do anything from a full program. We'll design, manufacture, build, supply complete gearboxes, down to just individual components that some customers require.
And when you talk about motorsport, what type of motorsport do you actually supply into?
It's a very wide range. It's from Formula One, we supply touring cars, World Rally Championship, Le Mans cars, the LMP cars, the Indy cars in the USA. We've just renewed our contract just very recently. We now have that contract till 2020, which has given us 20 years of coverage of the IndyCar.
So really, you're really looking at very, very sharp tolerances and supply chain into the motorsport sector?
Yes, very, very tight tolerances. A typical tolerance for us could be as small as 5 microns, maybe even smaller than that for some applications.
Well, that leads on to my next question. We're here on behalf of Mitutoyo to talk about how you embrace their products. Could you tell me a little bit about the portfolio of products that you got here to help you develop the products that you supply into customers?
Yeah, we have a wide range of Mitutoyo products, from CMMs, con tracers, form tracers, surface finish measurement, shadow graphs, down to the simplest of hand tools, micrometers, digital calipers that everybody's familiar with.
Now, there's a lot of suppliers out there for metrology products, but why have you chosen Mitutoyo to supply a number of different solutions to you?
In the very early days, we went with Mitutoyo because they had the biggest catalogue. You know, there was everything we needed we could get from one place, which makes it very easy for us to source those parts. And their catalogue has increased, and the equipment has developed drastically over the years that we've had it. And we get a very good service from Mitutoyo. They're fairly local to us geographically. It's easy for us to go to their showroom. If we're looking at buying some new technology, something we haven't had before, or new development, we can see it very, very quickly. Within half an hour, we can go and have a look at something.
Now, I know within motorsport, sometimes the demands are like within 24 hours or maybe less. Yeah. How does Mitutoyo help you if there's a problem in any machine, that they could help you guys deliver the right product at the right time for your customers?
They've got a great backup and support service. If we have a problem with the machine, we get service guys here within a day usually. If we're struggling because it's something we don't know how to do, we've got a specific measuring problem, they have measuring experts in all of their different disciplines. And we can always get somebody on the phone, by email, very, very quickly. We're able to consult with them, maybe with CAD files and drawings, etc., and they can generally get us a solution really, really quickly if we need it.
And on the shop floor, is this the only sort of department where engineers can actually measure the tolerances of the products?
No, we have 3 CMMs in our inspection department. We actually own 6 within the company, and we put that equipment out onto the shop floor because it gives the guys that are making the stuff on the shop floor the best opportunity to use that equipment and get the parts right. So we've tried to recreate what we have within our metrology department out on the shop floor.
So it sounds like Mitutoyo, a solution provider, is much more a solution provided to your customers.
Yes, definitely. And we've worked very closely with them for almost the full 30 years plus of the company's existence, really.
So really, when you're looking for your next investment, there's only one place you're going to be going, really?
Yeah, generally, if we're looking to buy something new or different, the first thing we do is pull out the Mitutoyo catalogue or ring our local rep up and see if they have a solution for us.
Well, great success story. Thanks very much for your time, Neil.
Thank you.